welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Sandia G. If you're new here, welcome to all our returning subs. You don't know what your girl feel about you. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, put your notification bell on so you'll be in the know when your girl upload new content. Guys, please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. It does help with YouTube to push my channel out to a wider audience. So please help your girl, because I am close by 10,000 and I just want to get there right now. Well, I think I'm like 70 away from 9,000, but 10,000 still not that far from 9,000. And my time of year is coming up anyway, so your girl is about to push content. Just keep pushing content. So this is the wall, guys. I finished through the wall, but what had happened is, because I had to have certain dimension from the floor to do this chair rail, I underestimated my measurement and I had to move the screws that I had in here and move them up somewhere, so some of the wall is kind of damaged. I'm not going to fix that today. I may do it later on tonight because I have to touch out some white paint on this and on some of the doors down there. So I'm going to be doing that as well. And then I'm going to touch out some little spots with the green. And I did, let me show you guys. So I did go ahead and put on the chair rail on this side. So I have to fix this up. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 walls. And then down there, you guys may see the chair rails along the line of me doing the video. Another thing I want to show you guys that's going on in the space. So I'm turning the camera this way. Another thing I want to show you is, let me bring it down closer. When the oven put the locks on, what happened is, this one is a different shape, right? So it leaves some of the white. So I'm gonna have to retouch this. Keep fingers crossed that the paint don't touch it. And then while we were doing some work, some of the paint got scraped off here. So I'm gonna be touching out. I'm not gonna be doing that on camera. That I will be doing off camera. I have some stuff over there. They're pretty much fall stuff. You guys are going to love the things that I got. And I have 2 unboxing to do. The chair rail over this side, I'm gonna paint it in the wall color along with the other ones. So I want to put on that wall 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I have like the hallway to do. So I'm going to be doing that as well, but that's another video. I am going to be doing a video tonight with either tonight or tomorrow morning. I'm going to be setting up a new sofa in here. So I know in my last video when I was doing the voiceover, I did say that the other sofa was going to come out first. But I'm doing this video the day after I finish filming that video. So I am going to just bring in the chair for this video, because the other video, because that's one that I will have to send over to the company. So as soon as I put this video out, I'm just trying to edit based on how the place is set up. I'm going to send over their video to them to get approval. So that's pretty much what's going on here. I want to show you something else over on this side, right? So what I want to show you over here is, so for the plug down here, I did paint the plug, the socket, that's what I'm calling it. Yeah. I need to screw this in. I need to get something to put it in properly. But I think my hand is doing it. Yeah, so that's not moving. So I did paint that in the wall color. So I am going to be patching. I made some changes down the hallway, but that's for another video. I changed out some stuff down there, and that's for another video. I think that is going to be in the video. Not the one for this, but as I said, I have a lot of content coming out. So what I'm going to do now is just place back the mirror on the wall, because it's in the same line, and then the way all the mirrors is shaped, I'm sure that it's going to cover here. So I am going to go ahead and put back the things in the area now. Should've known you would break a rule. that look nice, guys? That looks so nice against the black. I love that. And this is a vision that I had when I created this wall. I knew it was a big step. It was bold. And the furniture, okay, this is going to stay. But I do have a new piece of furniture that I'm going to bring into the space. As I said, I have some big changes coming up. I did purchase a new console table with like a brown wood finish. So I'm going to put it here. I did purchase 2 chairs. And I'm going to talk about that as well in this video. But let's just get this area done. But I did purchase a new console table for this side. So I am going to get this area done and then we'll talk some more about it. I'm just gonna spray it on this.
Old familiar restart. Put the guards on my heart. Welcome back to the sad girl part. I should've known better, deja vu. I should've known better that I'd lose. I should've known better. Tell me that this wasn't all for nothing. I should've known better than I did. I should've known better. Love's love, man. I should've known better than to give my all. It never works out for me.
And I'm just gonna put them back. This one is an atmosphere, this one is a curate. And then I'm gonna bring back this in the space that I had here. So I'll just bring them back here. And then I'm gonna bring these back. And then this one goes here. Just add them set up like this. And these are pieces that you're all are going to be seeing in my home, all around the home. I love these candle holders. I'm not using candle in them. I'm using moss as my filler, but it looks so nice. So if you guys have like your candle holders, these pretty ones, you guys can do something like this and just elevate the space some. I know a lot of people probably wonder, why does she have so many seating in her house? I have to. Because when everybody come over, these chairs can't hold them. And I'm going to explain why I'm going to be changing out my wingback chairs and put these downstairs. I'm either going to be using these at the dining table when I put it down there, or I'm going to be using it in our family room as extra seating. But yeah, these got to go. And I'm going to tell you why. So I'm going to show you some stuff. So I'm going to be off camera, but I'm going to be explaining some stuff to you guys. So this is the space, right? This is what the wall looks like. And don't mind. Over there, guys, don't mind. That's a chair that's the area that my hubby sit and work. So I have a chair that him sit on to work over there. So when he's at home, that's where he works. So the computer is always on the table. So disregard that. But focus on this wall, guys. This is absolutely beautiful. I love it. I love everything about this. I love what this is giving. Love everything about what this is giving, guys. This is absolutely beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful. everything about the space. So one quick tip you guys can use is whenever you are bored of your space, go ahead and try to change a wall. Go ahead and try to change up an area in your space. As I said before, my home is a very small home. All the living areas upstairs is like 1100 square feet. So that's a small space, right? So I pretty much maximize my space, use light colors in my space. That's what I was doing. Using the grays and the creams and the whites to offset the space, because what white does, or the creams, it open up the space, make it seem bigger than what it is. So when I put this black wall here, I was a bit afraid at first, to be honest, but it turned out absolutely beautiful. You guys are going to see the space evolve more and more and more. I'm curating the space to make sure that I can maximize it as well as make it livable and a fun place for my family to be. So guys, I was telling you that I want to change these chairs. So I purchased these beautiful wingback chairs a while ago, a couple of years now. So I purchased these some years ago, right? And I want to change. Let me tell you why I want to change those chairs. If you see from this direction, right? Those chairs, like at the top, it's blocking the credenza over there, right? So I wanted something to flush so that I can see at least what's on the top of the credenza and see the place flow. So for me, where the wings start right there by the pillow, I wanted something from that dimension downwards to the floor. So I would cut off the area that's above the pillow and I wouldn't be working with that area anymore. So that's pretty much what I want to do with this area. The chairs I got will definitely give me that. I am going to be showing you guys those chairs pretty soon. Over there, guys, is where I have some stuff that I need to do my shopping haul to you guys. Some of them I did in my last shopping haul. I kept them in the space because I'm going to be using some of those things to style the area. But the other stuff is what I'm going to be showing you guys shortly. So this is pretty much what the space looks like from this area. I am going to be changing out this particular sofa right here. So this one right here, I will be changing it out. So this will be changed out, and yeah, this one will go in the basement. As I said before, I was showing you guys earlier, this is my stick that I keep my camera on. So I was showing you guys earlier the chair rail that I installed. I was also telling you guys about the spots on the doors that I have to fix as well. So I'm going to be doing that tonight. And then we scratch the doors there when we're taking in some wood pieces in the home. But yeah, and then I have to touch out there because I don't know, it's like I was wiping something and the black paint touched there. So I have small little work left to do. But yeah, I am going to be changing out this sofa right here. We're getting that out of the area, and I'm going to be putting something new in here. But this piece will be in my basement. And I have numerous covers that I used to cover it. It is a gray sofa. Still looks new, still feel new. But sometimes we got to change. I've had this in the home like for 4 years now. So yeah, it's time for it to go somewhere else. And I take care of my stuff, guys. And that piece was one of my first pieces that I got for the home as well when we move into the home. So that's about 5 years in the space. That beautiful piece right there. But I'm gonna put those pieces in the basement. So those lamps, I got 2 of them. So I got 2 of these lamps. One of them is taller. I got them from Amazon, but one is taller, so I'm gonna have to send back one and try to get a shorter one. So yes, this is what the space pretty much looks like right now. Everything on my table here remains the same. On my coffee table, everything remains the same. This piece, I just recently did it in a shopping haul, so I just place it there to see what it would have looked like on the area. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead now and do the shopping haul and show you guys what I got.
Kept it at a friendship.